Hello, welcome back to the cottage. It's a beautiful day here today, and I think today I'm going to try and make a dirt bike stand for mine and my son's dirt bikes. The ones in the stores are $100 plus for a metal one, and I'm just going to make one out of scrap wood that I have here around. I'll show you the bikes. There's mine. It's a 2016 TTR 230. Sam's is parked way over here, and it's a 2014 CRF 125. So this stand has to accommodate both. So I'll build it for the height of mine because this is much lower. Anyway, so what I've got to start with, here's my scrap wood I'm going to be using. This is left over from the deck I did in a previous video. You can check that one out too. But I've got this 2x6 here. I've got about 53 inches of 2x6. So I need 4 legs. So I'm going to make them 13 inches each. So I'm going to cut 4 13-inch lengths off this, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so I've got my 4 legs cut out, and they're 13 inches high. And I think I'm going to make it about 15 inches by 15 inches. So I've got to cut out, and I'm just going to put them across here. Where's my finger? Across there, and one across the top, and on all 4 sides. And I'm going to use, I think, this decking to do that, because I seem to have a lot of that, a lot of extra. So this is 5/4 of an inch thick. It should be good and sturdy. And then I'll probably use this, or you know what? I don't know how to do that. I'll see how much I have. Anyway, I'm going to work on making the sides now. All right, so I got my sides done. They're there, and I've got my legs, and I've got my drill and some screws. We're going to put it all together. There we go. Now that it's all kind of assembled, so we've got the base. It's kind of heavy, but it's pretty sturdy. I'm going to put some more 5/4 by 6 on the top, like this, to make the top. I'll just cut them down to size. Probably about 17 inches long, because from here to here is 15, and I need like an inch or maybe 17 or 18 inches. 17 probably, 17 and a half. Anyway, I'll get at that. All right, I got the top on. So there we have it, folks. A very crude wooden motorcycle stand made of some scrap wood I had. Let's see, it's not really all that heavy actually. Not too bad. Basically, it's just a box, but it should be strong enough to stand on it. Yeah, so I'll get my wife out here to hold the camera, and I'll flip my motorcycle on it and see how it works.
Yep.
All right, here we go. Bear with me, I haven't done this for a while, but...
Oh my goodness.
There we go. Straighten her out. And now we can work on it.
Oh, that's good.
Take the back tire off. Take the front tire off. There's plenty of surface area there for it not to go forward. So, yeah.
Oh, that's great.
That'll work. Better than nothing.
Handy little thing, better than what we're using before, rocks.
Use some cement blocks, yeah.
Oh, that's great.
But, yeah, it's what you do when you're at the camp and you have stuff, very limited stuff. Try and make stuff.
You make it work.
Yes, so thanks for watching. And join me again next time for something new and crazy.